This is Simply Sweet Stained Glass Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Let stunning stained glass inspired florals be the focus of your handmade projects. The stamps, dies, stencil and 6x6 pattern papers in this kit all work together wonderfully to create so many different designs, be that on cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. In the kit you will receive stained glass window stamp and die bundle, Simply Friend die, Heart Builder stencil, Sweet Moments 6x6 paper pack. An exclusive inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Simply Sweet Stained Glass Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.